Hello friends, welcome to my channel Learn with Debs. Today's recipe is a very healthy breakfast recipe, Oats Omelette. We will need 3 eggs, salt to taste, 3 tablespoons of grated carrots, 1 large chopped onions, 2 green chilies chopped, 1 large tomato chopped, pepper and oil. Take 3 tablespoons of oats, 2 tablespoons of milk and soak the oats into the milk and keep it for 10 minutes. Now I have beat 3 eggs. Now I'll put a little salt, onions, carrot, green chilies, cut tomatoes, and I will sprinkle a little pepper and the oats soaked in milk. Use a whisk and mix properly. It looks so colorful. Once it is whisked, it looks like this. Now we'll take a pan. Now I have taken a pan and I have put half a tablespoon of oil. You can use any oil, olive oil, vegetable oil, whatever oil you want. And then once it is a little warm, you can put the mixture. Put in low flame and let it cook for around 5 minutes. Cover it. Your oats omelette is ready. You can flip it the other side and you can serve it hot. So my breakfast is ready. Oats omelette. It's healthy with toast and peanut butter. Hope you like this recipe. If you like my channel, please don't forget to subscribe, like and comment. Thank you once again. Bye bye.